Hi, this is Sayojita. Welcome to my channel where I will show you simple and efficient ways to make a wide range of Indian dishes, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Today I am making Paneer Butter Masala, the original and a vegan version. Both can be prepared in 10 minutes flat. Paneer Butter Masala can grace an elegant dinner table or serve as a quick and easy weekday meal. If you love Indian food, chances are you already have eaten Paneer Butter Masala at your favorite restaurant. Now you can make it at home. Quite easily, I might add. The procedure is quite simple, as are the ingredients. Nothing exotic here. Both versions are perfect for making in large quantities. There is no chopping or frying. Pair them with my tandoori roti and wow an army of friends at any time. Let's start with the original. I've set the timer, the kadai is heating up, and while that's happening, I'm going to dice the paneer. The garlic can be crushed at this time too. I'm going to use a garlic press. Add the butter with a little bit of ghee or oil. This prevents it from burning. I'm using white butter, so it's more likely to burn. The butter has melted. Drop the garlic in. Toss until it's golden. The roasted jeera powder and turmeric can go in now. If you're using the turmeric, that is. It's optional. Now we add the paneer. Make sure that paneer you're using is good quality. How do we test for that? It should be soft to touch before cooking, and on cooking it should not be chewy or hard. It should remain soft. Toss the paneer around for a minute or two and also throw in the salt at this time. Add only half a teaspoon now. You can always add more later. Okay, I tried, but I just had to put in the turmeric. I love the flavor combo of turmeric and tomato. The best place to add it is with the jeera powder earlier, but here is okay too. Now for the tomatoes. I'm using homemade paste, but you can use a store-bought also. Canned pastes are usually quite thick and concentrated, so you will need about half this quantity. You can also use pureed raw tomatoes, as I have in the vegan version that follows. Add the Kashmiri chili powder and garam masala. I have used a fairly large quantity of Kashmiri chili powder because it's quite mild and it gives a beautiful red color. If you do not have Kashmiri powder, no problem. Just use regular red chili powder, and for the color you can use paprika or beetroot puree. Or you can not use anything and you'll have a wonderful pale color to your gravy. That also looks good. Mix everything and allow the gravy to come to a boil and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. If you're using fresh tomatoes, you probably need a little more time for this step. Now we can add the cream or a mixture of cream and yogurt in whatever proportion you feel comfortable. The yogurt will reduce the richness of the gravy. Add it a tablespoon at a time so it doesn't curdle. And your yogurt shouldn't be sour, it should be fresh. Let the gravy simmer for a couple of minutes after all the cream has been added. Since this is a rich gravy, you can serve it with a simple vegetable such as my green masala cauliflower and a roti. I have used parathas, but you can use my tandoori rotis for a quick and easy option. Taste and adjust the seasonings. I needed to add some salt. and we're done. 10 minutes 25 seconds. The gravy has thickened on cooling. This texture is just fine. But if yours is a little thick, you can thin it down with some water or milk. Drizzle a few drops of cream and or sprinkle with chopped coriander leaves. That's it. Let's head to the table. Now the vegan version. I've turned on the timer. Alas, I realized that it's not visible. But be assured it is ticking behind the scenes. The thick cast iron kadai takes a while to heat up. In the meantime, I have diced the tofu and crushed the garlic. I've also made the fresh tomato puree and cashew paste ahead of time. You can make this during the cooking process also. The kadai is hot now. We can add the oil. Flavorless is better. Now we can add the garlic. I've quickly pounded it with my pestle. Toss it around until it's golden. Cumin powder and turmeric. Since the tofu is mild in flavor, I recommend using turmeric in this dish and not making it optional. Now add the tofu. And all the salt. I think again I want this tofu to absorb everything it can as much and have as much time in the flavors as possible. With that thought in mind, I have added the chili powder ahead of the tomatoes. Toss around for a couple of minutes while the chili powder gets absorbed. Now for the fresh tomato puree. This will take a little longer to cook than using homemade tomato paste. In a way, that's a good thing. The tofu will get a little bit longer with the tomatoes and the flavors get absorbed well. Add the garam masala and the beetroot puree. The sweetness of the beetroot is a good foil for the large quantity of chili powder, the Kashmiri chili powder, the mild one. See the lovely color you get from both of them. Bring to a boil and simmer covered for 1 to 2 minutes. Aha, we found the timer. I just realized that it was hidden. It's been 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Time to add the cashew paste. Just mix it in. There is no need to go a tablespoon at a time as with the cream. This step is therefore much faster than the original, unlike the tomato paste situation. The cashew paste acts as a thickener, and so we need to thin the gravy down. I'm using almond milk. You can use any other flavorless milk or water. Bring to a boil and simmer for a minute. We are all done. This took 10 minutes too. You can see that unlike the paneer, the spongy tofu has absorbed the liquid and swelled up. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve. I have served my vegan paneer butter masala with the same two accompaniments as the original, since they are both vegan: cauliflower green masala and plain parathas. That's all for today. I hope you found this video on two versions of paneer butter masala useful. If so, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for my palak paneer video, the original and the vegan version. As always, I look forward to your feedback in the comment section. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. See you next week. Thank you for watching.